Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. We wanted to show you guys an amazing 30-foot trailer we just got in stock. This is a Jeeper's dream or a race car lover's dream trailer. It's amazing. We'll show you guys all the features here. This one is again a Haulmark edge, so it is a steel frame, smooth skin white exterior. You've got the full polished aluminum around the bottom. This one does have an extended triple tube tongue. It's on a heavy duty 6-inch frame. This extended tongue will give you guys a better turning radius. You've got the diamond plate rock guard, also the polished corners, rounded up front cap. This one's got a ton of exterior lights on it. You have a couple of big party lights right here, another one over your side door. This is the double race side door. This one also is really cool because it has a deadbolt. So you've got the RV lock and a deadbolt, so great locks there. Pull out aluminum steps. You also have two 6,000 pound torsion spread axles with brakes, of course, aluminum wheels, and the spread axle package is as good as it gets as far as trailer towing goes. It distributes that weight, helps cut down with any wagging or swaying that you could get with the trailer, and then those torsion axles also give you independent suspension, so this trailer will ride and tow really great. Again, smooth skin exterior, so you guys can see no screws or rivets on the outside. This one also has the exterior turn lights right here, so you guys turn your blinkers on, those will blink, just a good safety feature. You also have double exterior GFI outlets. There's one here and one on the other side. I'll show you guys that in a second. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. It's got the diamond plate ramp covering, as you guys can see, and then the really great transition flap. This one's got the triangular section to it, so it's a very nice easy brake coming in and out, so again, great for low profile cars. I wanted to show you guys this side here really quick and then we'll go inside. Here's your second exterior GFI outlet. And then you also have a generator platform up here. Or not platform, excuse me, a generator compartment. Sorry about that. And you've got a 50 amp service, and here's your plug right here. That's easy. This is a twist lock one like what you guys will have with your campers. And then let's go back inside and check out everything that's inside. So, great option with this trailer. This is as big of a rear ramp door opening as you can possibly get in a trailer. It's a 95.5 wide rear ramp door opening. Interior height on the trailer is 7'9", and you've got 7'4" here for opening height at the rear ramp door. You also have a LED load light right here, so you guys will have some nice load lights at night. And then interior race ramps, super cool option. Great for Jeeps, buggies, Ultra 4 cars, whatever you guys are racing at the racetrack, any kind of cars. We love these. This is a great feature. You've got tie downs in the right spot as well. You've got E-track here at the back and E-track right up in the front, so easily to tie down your cars. You also have rubber coin flooring here and some D-rings, so these can go right to the axles. Got 4 more up there. Interior outlets, carpeted halfway up on the walls. Here's a bunch of your light switches. There's great lights in this trailer as well. You've got these big nice side lights here in the corners, plus these will run when you've got your 50 amp on, so you're gonna have incredible light in here. You've got overhead puck LEDs, plus accent lights here on the side, so great job with the lighting in here. Aluminum wall and ceiling liner, you guys can see there. Couple of overhead roof vents as well, and again, 7'9" interior height. We'll check out these ramps a little bit more so you guys can see these. More E-track right up here in the front for more tie downs. You also have a 5500 Superwinch right up here as well. And then here's the front portion, back side of the double doors. Here's all your lights and light switches. They're all labeled for you guys. Wardrobe closet here, plenty of tool storage, lots of overhead cabinets. Got a nice countertop with an under cabinet light. Here's all of your circuits in your circuit box. Pull this open for you guys. It's already wired for AC and ready to go. You guys can just drop an AC unit into one of these overhead roof vents if you want to get the AC. Underneath the cabinet under here as well is a vented battery and battery box. So that's why we've got all these lights on and we're not hooked up to the vehicle, which is a great feature. And then you guys stick your generator in here, you can power everything else up and get these big 4-foot lights to come on as well. And just a lot of good space up here. You guys will have a lot of storage and place to work on stuff, pull stuff out of your cars or Jeeps or whatever, and have a nice place to work on it. So Overall, here it is. It's an amazing trailer. It will do so many things for so many people. We're super excited about it because we're Jeepers here and we can get Jeeps in it. And if you guys race cars and like to go to the racetrack, it'll be an amazing trailer to tow around with you guys. So as always, if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. If you don't live near us, that's okay. I've got an awesome transporter that'll pull stuff all over the country for us at really good rates. So you guys can call and we can get you a shipping quote as well. That's not a problem. And give us a holler with any questions that you might have, 303-688-8485, and be sure to like and subscribe.